guy. Today on Misfit Mutts, us bully boys, we have a 3S GTE from a Caldina going in an AW11 MR2. And oh, I can't be more excited. Been a lot of little things to figure out. We've had to figure out the belt solution because we did power steering and AC delete. No one needs that shit. And the downpipe. Our O2 sensor is giving us issues. Apparently there's two different styles of the same one with different connectors, so that's kind of curious, but we'll figure that out. Yeah, but she's all perfect, ready to go. And on this rainy ass day, yeah, we're gonna put her in. We still have to drag the MR2 up, which is gonna be fun in the rain. But look at these pretty boys. Oh, I am having a great day. So, join us. I'll try to tag you on a little bit. I got a telephone call, so I'll see you in a minute. Here we have it going in. There's not a lot of clearance. Hopefully it'll go in nicely. We have to have the engine or the car way up there. Oh, this should be fun. Here we go. All right. That's fine.
That was definitely a serious bolt we just put in.
Yeah.
Because it changed the attitude mode. Fuck yeah. Look at that when you freaking.
Hell yeah.
It's a bit special.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be a bit special. We already loved this car.
We did.
Ever since we took it out for snow that time, with a limited slip and flipped it around with little back roads around here. Ever since then, we fucking love this car.
Oh yeah.
With the quick steering and the little LSD, we've always loved it. With this engine and the quick steering and the limited slip, it's going to be
double the horsepower. Minimum. Damn.
It's a Ferrari. This just looks.
Yeah.
Master.
We've already sent me listings for SW20s. That's the one he wants.
It's prettier, I think. It's definitely prettier. Kerry definitely is like sold on SW20 looks. But from a driver's and mechanical engineering functional point of view, I just definitely prefer these guys.
Definitely.
Look at that. Look, stand here and just look. When you just see how tiny it is with that fucking thing stuffed in the back.
Stuffed. Here you go, guys. It is stuffed in there. There is not much room. But it's in. Now the fun part. All the other shit.